you doing, Andrew?
That, I had a report to relay from a Pima County Skywarn volunteer who's in the valley when you're ready to take information.
Okay, go ahead, Andrew. I'm ready.
All right, there are 3 different reports because he was driving as he did this. The first at Cactus between 59 59th Avenue and 65 65th Avenue. Curb-to-curb flooding and tree limbs down blocking the road. That's at Cactus between 59th and 65th Ave. That's the first one.
Okay, we copy trees down on Cactus between 59th Avenue and 65th Avenue. Next.
Next was at Bell Road, west of Grand. Tree limbs down on the slow speed lane, the far right lane on both sides, and water blocking the slow speed lanes.
National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for central Maricopa County in south central Arizona. This includes Ahwatukee, Tempe, Sun Lakes, Paradise Valley, Lavigne, Chandler, west central Pinal County in southeast Arizona until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 3:27 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected very heavy rain that will cause flash flooding. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Estrella Sailboard, Tumbleweed Park, Papago Park, Camelback Mountain, Fiesta Mall, Mesa Riverview Mall, Tempe Marketplace, Arizona Mills Mall, Arizona State Fairgrounds, South Mountain Park, Chandler Fashion Center Mall, South Phoenix, downtown Scottsdale, Sky Harbor Airport, Arizona State University, Salt River Indian Community, Chandler City Hall, downtown Mesa, Freestone Park, Gilbert City Hall, Bapchul, Alberg, and Maricopa. Most flood deaths occur in motorized vehicles. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of normally dry washes in creeks, streets, and underpasses, and detention basins affecting some community parks. Unbridged crossings will be especially dangerous. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa and Pinal,